Hey there guys, it's Crazy Man for Life here today, making a new YouTube video because I haven't in a while. Gonna try and make some more, but I'm trying to make this video short, so let's get started. It's just an update. So first, I've got this 2003 Dodge flatbed, Tomir's light bar flatbed welding, a welder, and an exhaust pipe. I've got this Diesel Sellers truck, Bandit Boy 177 mate. You can find his account on here. It's a cool truck. I've got this 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 with big old mud tires, a stack, some detailed headlights, and that's it. That's just a stock 2500. It doesn't have a lift or anything. It's just painted and detailed. Not the best truck ever. I think I might have detailed the engine. I kind of detailed it, but not really. If you can see, there's like a little bit of silver paint and stuff in there. I don't know if you can see it, but oh well, I guess. This is the first gen I made. I had to hand paint the grill so it didn't come out too good. But it's got custom mirrors, CB antenna, custom flatbed, different tires and custom paint job. I've got this. It's a Greenlight Black Bandit 2014 Ram 1500. All I really did was lift it, took off the brush guard and the police lights. I've got this. It's a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. Just took the decals off, detailed the headlights, put different tires on it, put a NOS sticker in the back, put mirrors on, and detailed the grill. I've got this 2012 Dodge Ram 3500, detailed headlights, brush guard, big old tires, custom paint job, some detail. It's got an exhaust pipe, it's got gas tanks, a toolbox, and a headache rack. I've got this 2012 Dodge Ram 2500, just repainted with blacked out rims, detailed. I've got this 2013 Dodge Ram 3500 flatbed, different tires, tow mirrors, light bar. It's got a flatbed, a battery charger, small toolbox, big old headache rack with a light bar on the back, ladder, hitch, mud flaps, and exhaust pipe. I've got this 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 with, well, one of the mirrors just fell off, but has mirrors, detailed grill, detailed rims, repainted and stuff. And now onto the cars. I've got this 1969 Chevy Camaro. It's a nice truck. I mean car. Sorry, used to saying truck. It's got a pretty detailed engine in there. This is completely stock. I've got this 1970 Chevelle. Hood opens, doors open. I've only seen one other person that has one of these. If you have one, please comment. It's got a detailed engine also. I've got this. It's a 1970 Plymouth Cuda. And yes, I know I have more cars than I used to. This one's stock too. Doesn't really have a detailed engine, but it's painted orange. The whole thing is. I've got this junker car that I made a while ago, but I put a fake tarp on it and weathered the tarp also. first attempt at making a tarp for him. And I've got this. It's a backhoe. Not the most awesome backhoe ever, but it works. And I put a half cage on the cab. But anyways, once I hit once I hit probably 200 to 250 subscribers, I will do a video of my display. I'm working on it right now. Well, not at this moment, but anyways, you know what I mean. I just gotta order the stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.